Oh, why is the camera? Sorry about the blur. It's better. It wobbles. Yeah, you have a pull chain broke on it. Now the pull chain's broken on. Yeah, I don't know why it's getting blurry. Yeah, sometimes it gets. It sometimes doesn't focus. This one's pretty slow. Not all the slowest. Yeah, I got a better camera. Yeah, it's starting to wobble. It's starting to wobble now, so I hope I better make this quick. Yeah, it's starting to wobble now, so yeah, this fan's definitely getting replaced. It's starting to wobble badly now. Yeah, I'm gonna have to hurry. Why it won't focus. I have to make it fast. Riley! Sorry, my brother ran into me. Sorry, my brother.
I wasn't trying to run into you.
Sorry, Riley tried to bump. Riley? You're ruining my video. Sorry, my brother's trying to ruin my video. I'm gonna do the last. Riley, don't bump into me again. It's still the same thing. Oh, wait. We'll do my mom's fan. I have to do a... And that one's not very fast. I'm pretty sure this fan needs to be replaced. Sorry, my brother needs to be going away. Or I do a remake again. This camera's better. So yeah, this camera's the best. So yeah, it takes a pretty long. And that one makes a buzzing noise now. I don't know. It stopped for a while, but it makes one. It's making a buzzing noise still. It's the noisiest one out of all of them. Alright, we'll turn on medium. I'll show you the noise on the medium speed. Medium's the noisiest speed. It's probably noisier on. Probably will need a flashlight sometimes. Yeah, to use a flashlight so that way I don't. Sometimes I have to leave a light on sometimes. So yeah, so it speeds up. Turn off the cooler first. Turn off the cooler first. Yeah, it's a lot noisy. It's pretty noisy, so yeah. And the camera's not focusing. Sorry if the camera doesn't focus. Yeah, probably because I have a new... it's not even... Okay, right, focus. It's probably noisier. Yeah, sometimes it's pretty slow. Yeah, I'm probably gonna wait for... Yeah, it's pretty fast. It does blow a decent amount of air, but not very much. It's not much as... So, yeah. Do the light last. Yeah, this one's the best. Yeah, and now it's time for the living room fan. I don't want to run this one too long. Or, hold on, I have to turn the cooler back. Yeah, now it's time for this fan. I have a lamp running. I have the kid show one. This is a pretty fast fan. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to. Yeah, this fan's pretty. That one's not fast. But I did show it to it earlier today. Probably do a. Yeah, probably have to. Yeah, this fan's gonna. Yeah, probably do another fan. I'll probably do another video on. Probably do 3 remakes. Two remakes.
That's correct. I was born in Brazil.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna delete the first video because it was a terrible video.
Yeah, we've been here for 26 years. Proud to be an American.
Hold on, I'm making a video right now.
My life in this country.
I hope it doesn't come to that.
I'm glad I put the protein. Yeah, I don't know if I did it too many times. I did not. This one is still slow. Yeah, it's a pretty slow fan. Yeah, this is a slow fan. It does not speed up very fast. It takes a pretty long time. I don't know if it's on high, but now it is. It gets pretty cold in here when it's running on fall. It's October now, so it gets pretty cold whenever it's fall. I don't want to make this too long. Yeah. Well, now, last end of the light. My mom is interrupting me. Yeah, my mom does interrupt me all the time. Camera's a lot better on this when it's. Yeah, it's on low. Now it's on low. Now it's finally on low. It's a pretty slow. It does take a while to speed up, but yeah, it's a pretty fast fan. It's the fastest one. There's yeah, we're gonna change but soon we might repaint. Yeah, next spring we're gonna get another fan. I'll probably make this one. Okay, now time for medium. Yeah, I'll probably do a remake on this soon. It's a better camera. Probably might do so probably won't make it this long. I'm probably not gonna make it this long. This wobbles badly, cause if this one blows a ton of air. Yeah, this one's the fastest fan. I don't want to run this one too long because it wobbles a lot. This one's the best fan. Yeah, sometimes we have a camera slow, so yeah. I have to slowly. It might take a while to speed up. I have a flashlight on, so that way. So, probably do I got a new phone, so yeah. We got a new phone, so. My new phone, so yeah. Alright, this is it of the fans. But now we're gonna take a look. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna take a look and yeah. The laundry room is almost the same paint as a living room in front of the house. But soon we're gonna do a remodeling of this room. Gonna remodel this room soon, so yeah, it won't be too long until we get a remodeling in this room. There's my cat. His name is Blue. And he's pretty sweet to me. He sleeps with me and my brother. But this fan over here needs to be replaced. I mean, the light fixture. I forgot the light fixtures. Still there. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do I'm probably gonna do a demonstration for this fan when it's evening. So, in the evening, I'm probably gonna do a demonstration on this. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna be installed yet, but yeah. We'll probably have to wait until next spring to install it, because it gets cold. There's a washer. And I'm also gonna do some. I don't know if we're gonna install some in the family room. We have a family room. Yeah, that's fluorescent lights. One of them doesn't work. This one doesn't work. I'm hoping this one gets fixed soon. And the top microwave is broken. I don't know what just happened to it, but this is probably. Yeah, we're gonna do some plans for this house. I'm probably gonna do some plans for this house tonight. I don't know if it's gonna happen tonight, but we have some. Yeah, we're gonna do the same thing, and although we have a bathroom, but I can't go in there. So yeah. All right, this is it. So I hope I'll see you. This is it from now. This is all it. So I'm probably gonna do another one. Yeah, I didn't make it the right one, but it was. Yeah, I'm probably gonna delete the first one and then add the new one. So I hope you enjoy this video. See you soon.